good afternoon everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, and share. So right now we are going to talk about BMNR. So remember, in short term, this is our next store micro strategy. The store which is starting out, it just started. So this store started on to $6 I saw, and when it pumped it I didn't buy it, and I saw pumping down, coming down, retracing. So personally I'm waiting around $22. So I'm going to talk why this stock may be hitting 500, and before 500, remember it has to support, test this support. So number one, you see this area where you see the U cap down, cap up guys started. So remember we may be going to test it before huge. Remember, this thing is going to be the one of the best stock which you can buy and hold for until 2030. But we need to see the correct price which you can render, or you can buy. Started this year from around $50, $48 towards this $22. Remember, if any bear market will come in future, remember this is the one of the stock you should buy deep. So this on weekly right now we are watching this type of the candles. Remember, we have this a bearish candle, which is, you see this one, morning star. That's one. If I see that one, that's why I'm waiting. Remember, people took the profit. We have the morning star. Remember, when something go down, it's not going straight down, so always going slowly, and we maybe see sideways. So remember, came here, now will be, you will be see small 5% up 2% until we reach around this area, around $20, and now we will start pushing high. If right now, like when you see like today markets coming down, this one maybe will be the one of the stock which is consolidated. We remember this company will sell their stocks to buy Ethereum, the same thing which is MicroStrategy is doing. So anytime will go up, they will sell. They do this offering stock, and sometimes this thing may be affect the stock. So we are going to see this news, and we are going. So second investment idea feature highlighted the Bitcoin emission and ETA. So we have this one. Remember this in ETF. I remember trade around that $4 right now. And when you read this thing is telling about the DMR, DeFi crypto crash. So when I was going down, it is defined and show the sign of the strength. So the same way to show the strength, and also on downside. When Pit is down low after the dormant whale sell, so some whale sold the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin whale is an individual or entity holding the large amount of the crypto assets. Because Bitcoin transaction is recorded on the public blockchain and can be traced, and can be determined when this whale smart money investor sell. On Sunday night, the dormant Bitcoin whale, who had not moving Bitcoin since 2018, finally sold some of the BTC crypto, and the reported Bitcoin whale won over the 11 billion, sold this 22,769, won the 2 billion overnight. The combination eliminated on Sunday. This is of the whale, and the fact the smart money was selling because Bitcoin dropped more than 5% instantaneously. Ethereum is second largest crypto asset, dropped 5% also, which is flashing crash, which is Ethereum weakness justified. So last night, so I don't want to go to read this one, guys, on Ethereum, but it's good to read. But support 10 weeks moving average or digesting July on 33,000% gain. I think this is the Bitcoin. So up or down, went up like 3,000. That's what I'm telling you. We may be scared. That's a huge. So we may be crashing like 50 to 1500%. So smart money loading up the DMR. Remember, smart money is buying this one. When sending people buy DMR beyond the police relative price, and the recent disclosure that smart money investor accumulated DMR shares. Legendary investor Peter disclosed 9% position in Ventures Capital. Bottom line, Sunday night Ethereum sell-off appeared to be justified, and due to the Bitcoin embassy, Ethereum treasure fund Bitcoin is not only weathering storm but showing the impressive resilience. Why haven't you looked at the top stock? So guys, go and watch though. And finally, we are going to watch on daily now. So I've already shown you on weekly that this thing maybe have some cool down on this September. Everybody is bearish on this September, and finally we have kind of the downtrend is already forming, and this thing rocket, guys, from $6 to 150. In fact, I think it will be bad financial advice to buy something which is red rocket like that one. So remember, we are under this triangle line, which is now I'm going to show you, which is it was resistance, and okay, it was resistance there, and once will break that area. Remember, I've not yet got support, and that's what I'm telling you. This year around 30. Waiting around $35, watching this breakout, watching on MACD also. Everything we have this 1D which is telling you to sell, and we are waiting 1D to signal buy. Guys, I think that's our video of today. BMNR.